Hey everyone in Business Marketing School, we're looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Just here checking everything's okay at the Sofitel. It's looking good. So tomorrow, what can you expect? Now, Jason and myself, we're going to be teaching you some incredible stuff, mind-blowing stuff that's going to take your business to the next level. Jason is going to teach you some business systems and processes, how to make your business more profitable, and lots of other stuff as well. I'm going to teach you how to get more leads and more sales, which is absolutely going to be a game changer for your business as well. So make sure you arrive early. Registration starts at 8 o'clock. We will be here ready to check you in. The team will be here, and it's a good time to network at the beginning of the event, get to know people, and you really want to make sure that you're here ready for 9 o'clock start. So really excited to see you. I can't wait to meet you guys all again and really start taking your businesses forward. So see you tomorrow at the Sofitel. Can't wait. See ya. Bye for now.